Mitali, physiotherapist from Dynafisio. Today we are going to talk about postural neck pain. Postural neck pain is a common musculoskeletal condition which we often, almost all the work from home people or desk job workers or those who are working on computer for prolonged hours faces these days. Just because of our different lifestyle adaptations, different postures, for our comfort zone postures, we have muscular imbalances. Some muscles go into tightness or some muscles goes into weakness due to same thing, due to our posture, for which we need to look after, we need to stretch our muscles, we need to strengthen our muscles, or we also need to look after our ergonomic advices or postural advices while we are working. So today we are going to talk about stretching exercises, strengthening exercises and postural advices. Let's come back to the stretching exercises first. We are going to talk about three basic stretches we need for our trapezius muscle, for our levator scapulae muscle, and for our sternocleidomastoid muscle, which is situated at the interior of our neck, at the front end of our neck. This muscle is usually left unnoticed, due to which it will always reoccur your postural neck pain. It will always give you a forward head or rounded shoulders. So do not forget about stretching sternocleidomastoid also. So first we are going to stretch our trapezius muscle. For this we have to hold our chair on which we are sitting. Hold the chair from one hand. Take your another hand just above your head to the opposite ear and stretch it towards your same hand side as if you are touching your ear to the shoulder. Relax. Remember, while you are stretching, you do not have to lift your shoulder up, otherwise it will not give you a definite stretch. We are holding the chair to maintain shoulder in a neutral position so that you can stretch it properly. Next, we will do on the another side, same stretch for our trapezius. You will feel the stretch on the side or nape of the neck, on the both sides when you will stretch. Now, hold from another hand, take your hand just above your head to the ear. Stretch it, hold for 10 to 15 seconds. You can count in your head. Relax. This stretch you have to repeat for at least 5 to 7 times in a go and hold for 10 to 15 seconds. A stretch hold for 10 to 15 seconds is necessary. Later on, you can increase your stretch time or you can increase your repetitions also. So the next stretch is for levator scapulae. This is also an easy stretch. What we have to do is same, one hand on the chair, look diagonally opposite to your hand, look downwards as if you are looking towards your armpit as much as you can. Now take assistance from your hand just above your head, pull it more downwards towards your armpit. Stretch it, relax. Stretch at the position where you can feel the resistance. When you are getting the stretch or when you are getting resistance in your neck, just hold into that position for 10 to 15 seconds for every kind of stretch. Same thing on the another side. Hold from another hand, look diagonally opposite, look towards your armpit with the hand, stretch it. Relax. We have to hold for 10 to 15 seconds again. Now we will feel the stretch just behind the nape of the neck towards your backward side of your neck. These two stretches are necessary, and the third most important stretch for forward neck or postural neck pain is for SCM. As I told you, we have to look just to the opposite side for which you want to stretch your muscle. As if we are stretching for left SCM, look towards your right and then pull your hand backwards. You will feel the stretch here. Relax. Again, look towards the opposite side. Pull your head backwards. Relax. So these are the stretching exercises. Let's move on to the strengthening exercises now. Strengthening exercises are the most easiest exercises. You just only have to remember how much resistance you are applying from your hand and from your head, both. For example, this is your hand and this is your head. You have to apply equal forces from your hand and head to the opposite directions. Only 20% force is required. Your head neither should be tilted nor should be rotated in either direction. You have to apply in equal amount of resistance from your head and from your hand. Okay, let's do it. First, from the front head, put your palm over your forehead. What I am doing is I am applying backward pressure from hand and anterior pressure from my head. Okay, only 20%. I'll feel the stress over my anterior neck muscles. Relax. Hold for 10 seconds. Repeat for 5 times in the interior direction. Then go towards your right side, just above your ear. Place your palm just above your ear. Apply forces in opposite direction. Relax. Again repeat this side for 5 times repetitions. To the opposite side, place your palm just above your ear. Apply opposite forces. Relax. 5 times here. 5 times we are going to do in all 4 directions. 5, 5, 5 and then 5. For the backward force, what we will do is we are cross our fingers. Place it just behind your head and then apply opposite forces. Relax. So, this exercise also in initial phase of our exercise we will do for 5 repetitions. Further, we can gradually increase the number of repetitions in the whole time from 5 to 7 to 8 to 10. Next, moving on to another strengthening exercise is the most easiest exercise is chin tuck. This is for your upper end of the neck muscles which are most weakened muscles. So what we have to do is tuck your chin as if you are making a double chin. Relax. If you are not able to do this exercise, you can just take a wall support or you can do on while lying also on your pillow. You have to tuck your chin inside, hold for 10 seconds and then relax. Next, we move on to postural and ergonomic advices. Before that, I want you to remember how we have to sit while doing exercises. You do not have to put your weights on either of your buttock. Put your equal weights on both the buttocks. Sit just back end of the edge of the chair and sit straight. You have to maintain an upright posture. Do not lean or do not take a support of anything. Sit straight and do stretching and strengthening exercises. Further, we will learn about the postural advices while working. For that, we have to keep in notice first of our back, hips, legs, and foot. We have to keep this posture into 90-90 position. Our trunk will be maintained 90 degree from hip, our legs will be maintained 90 degree from our thighs, and our foot will maintain 90 degree from our legs. For as in, I am sitting just upright, my thighs are just parallel to the ground, legs hanging down, foot or feet should be relaxed on the ground. If you are a short heighted person, take a footstep, rest your feet on a or footstep or a ground, but it should be rested. Next, this is your posture. Your computer screen should be maintained just the top notch of the computer screen should be maintained just at your eye level so that you do not have to further look downwards or more often. Your forearms will be parallel to the ground so that while working on the keyboard you will be moving your forearms. Plus, your eyes will be moving here and there, not your head will be moving here and there if you maintain that upright posture. Also, When we are working, we also have a habit of keeping our essentials with us, like our water bottle, our notepad, our pen, whatever we require while working. So if you are a right handed dominant person, remember to keep all your essentials toward your right side. If you are a left handed dominant person, keep that in left side. Because while if you keep it in your dominant side, when you are working, you can grab it, hold it, and then keep it without doing any unnecessary movement from your trunk or from your neck. But for example, if you keep it on your left side, for holding that object, for picking up that object, you have to move your trunk, you have to move your head, which is creating unnecessary movements which are not required while working. So keep it on your right side, your every essential you want to keep. Plus, if we talk about in a practical way, we can't sit for prolonged 8 to 9 hours, continuous 8 to 9 hours like straight. So it is the best advice you can ever get. After 20 to 30 minutes, either you can take a support, you can lean, or you can just stand up and walk around over your place. It will relieve your muscles, it will give you good support, your circulation will be maintained. Also, while sitting, get a lumbar support chair, or if you do not have that chair, just put a small pillow behind your lower back so that it is rested in a straight position and its curve is maintained. These advices, if you will follow, I can guarantee you no postural lifestyle changes will be there. Muscular imbalances you can maintain while doing stretching and strengthening exercises. Two times a day, these exercises are prescribed. While working, also get a habit of doing these exercises in between. Take care of yourself, take care of your neck. Thank you.